A Brief History of Advertising. Let's transform the history of advertising into a captivating tale. In the realm of commerce and trade, where goods and services exchanged hands, there emerged a curious craft, an art of persuasion known as advertising. Its origins can be traced back to the ancient world, where merchants with voices as bold as town criers would proclaim the virtues of their wares, their words echoing through bustling marketplaces. As time unfolded and the printing press revolutionized the world of communication, advertising evolved alongside it. Printed words, adorned with eye-catching illustrations, took their place in newspapers, pamphlets, and other publications. These early advertisements, though simple in form, carried a powerful message, informing potential customers of the products and services that awaited them. But as advertising matured, it sought to do more than just inform. It yearned to persuade, to entice, to capture the hearts and minds of consumers. Catchy slogans, infused with wit and charm, began to grace the pages of advertisements, while emotional appeals, tugging at the strings of human desire, found their place in the persuasive arsenal. The 20th century ushered in a new era of advertising, one marked by the rise of mass media and the power of broadcasting. Radio, with its ability to reach vast audiences through the airwaves, became a coveted tool for advertisers. Their voices, now carried on invisible wings of sound, could enter the homes of countless listeners, weaving tales of wonder and value around their products. Then came television, a visual feast that revolutionized advertising once again. Advertisers, now armed with the power of moving images and captivating narratives, crafted commercials that became cultural phenomena. Humor, music, and celebrity endorsements danced across the screen, captivating viewers and etching themselves into the collective memory. The digital age, with its boundless connectivity and ever-evolving technologies, has transformed advertising yet again. Online advertising, with its myriad forms, has become the dominant force, reaching consumers through search engines, social media platforms, and websites. Advertisers armed with data and insights can now tailor their messages with laser-like precision, targeting specific demographics and interests. But the future of advertising holds even more exciting possibilities. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and virtual reality are poised to revolutionize the industry, creating immersive and interactive experiences that will redefine how brands connect with consumers. Advertising, throughout its remarkable journey, has mirrored the evolution of human society and technology. It has adapted, transformed, and innovated, always striving to capture the attention and influence the choices of consumers. As we move forward, one thing is certain: advertising will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping our world, influencing our perceptions, choices, and behaviors. And so the story of advertising continues, a captivating tale of persuasion, innovation, and the ever-evolving relationship between brands and consumers. It is a story that will undoubtedly unfold with even more twists and turns in the chapters to come.